Hello guys, I hope you're doing okay. And today I'm back with another tutorial on how to swap or buy the EOS token. So first of all, you're just gonna need to have a digital wallet. In my case, I have the MetaMask account or wallet. So let's say you don't have any MetaMask account, you'll just find down below in our channel how to create one. So let's say you already created your MetaMask account, then you'll just simply come here to the coin market cap websites, then go here to search, then type EOS. After that, you'll just select this token and you'll come here exactly and press at this icon. This icon will simply copy the address of this token on the Binance Smart Chain network. Then you all need to do is just go to the Pancakeswap website. After that, you will just come here to the trade section, then press swap. After you do that, all you need to do first is connect your wallet to this website simply by clicking to connect wallet, then choose MetaMask because that way we have in our case. And if it's your first time connecting your wallet to a website, they will ask you just simply to press another next and the connect. Because I already connected my wallet here, they didn't ask me to do that, but it's super easy to do. All you need to do now is just press here at cake, then paste the address that you copied from CoinMarketCap, then press import. I understand, then import. So after connecting your wallet and pasting your address, you will just need to enter the amount of BNB that you want to swap. So let's say for example you have 1 BNB. They will ask you to, oh, let's say we have just a half of BNB. Oh, sorry for the interruption I had. That's because of my connection. So all you need to do after pasting the address is just, and connecting your wallet is just to enter the amount of BNB that you have. So let's say for example you have 1 BNB, so they will show you here the amount of the EOS token that you are going to get, and all you need to do is just press here at swap and you'll be all done. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you like the video, please do not hesitate to subscribe and leave a like and a comment down below.